In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a local copy of your Figma file. This quick process is perfect for creating an offline backup, archiving a snapshot of your work, or sharing a project as a .fig file that someone else can import into their own Figma workspace. Start by opening the Figma file you want to back up. Look to the upper left corner of the Figma window for the Figma icon, the colorful F logo. This icon is your gateway to the main application menu. When you select it, a menu drops down with project and file options. Think of this as the control center for actions like sharing, exporting, and in our case, saving a copy of your file to your computer. From that menu, choose Save Local Copy. This tells Figma to package your current file into a single .fig document and begin the download process. A .fig file is Figma's native, portable format. It preserves your pages, frames, components, styles, and most settings, so you can re-import it later or send it to a collaborator who needs to open it on their own account. Once you select Save Local Copy, Figma handles the rest automatically. You'll notice your browser initiating a download, typically to your default downloads folder. The file name usually matches your Figma document's title, so it's easy to recognize later. Depending on the complexity of your project, especially if it contains large images, this download might take a moment. That's normal, because Figma is bundling all the necessary information so the file works seamlessly when imported again. It's helpful to understand what this action does and doesn't do. Saving a local copy does not create another version inside your Figma Cloud project. Instead, it creates a separate offline backup you control. If you ever need to restore or share it, you can import the .fig file back into Figma and it will appear as a new file in your drafts or chosen workspace. This makes it a reliable safety net for version snapshots, handoffs to clients, or compliance archives. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you're in the correct file before opening the menu, and give the process a moment to finish if your project is large. If your organization uses strict download permissions, you might need access from your browser or device settings for the file to save successfully. And that's all there is to it. Click the Figma icon in the upper left, then choose Save Local Copy, and your backup is ready. Simple, fast, and dependable, exactly what you want from a good workflow safeguard.